Okay, I've got a Kenmore 417 model front end loading washer. So this is what it looks like. The issue I had was that the spin cycle was not spinning because there was water left in the tank. When there's water in the tank, it won't spin. And so we tried to figure out what it was, and it turned out that it was the pump. So let me tell you what we did to save $400 and a big headache with the stupid repair people. These are the things I needed. I needed a shop vac to suck the water out of the drum and deal with the water that comes out of the discharge when you disconnect the pump. If you don't have one, just get a lot of towels. I needed a voltmeter to check to see if I was getting voltage to the pump. And then I needed a pair of vice grips to undo this clamp right here and a corresponding clamp back here. And then I needed a little teeny screwdriver to break this loose here so that I could pull it off. And then I needed a wrench with a little square head, kind of see what that looks like, in order to get this bolt out and the corresponding bolt on the other side. So what we did is we determined that we had everything working right up and down till the motor. And we disconnected this little thing right here. You just click it and pull it out. And then if you take your probes and run your probes down into the end of that and turn your machine on, you'll see that you'll get 120 volts coming down to actually get the pump to turn. So we figured that the problem was with the pump because we had electricity at the right time coming to the pump. And so this is the pump that's bad, and you can clearly see this part connects to the rubber gasket back here, and then this part gets connected to here and heads out. When you disconnect this, there is still a fair amount of water left in here, so you're going to get water spilling, and there's a little bit of pressure there. So when you take that off, it'll be like kind of like a garden hose kicking out a fair amount of water until it drains. Anyway, that part was 57 bucks, and we just disconnected it, went down, picked it up, put it back in, reconnected it, and sure enough, it now drains properly and it spins as it should. So this is a 2001 model, and it's now 10 years old, and hopefully we can get a few more years out of it. So if it doesn't spin because there's water in the tank, it might be your pump, and that's how you get rid of it.